Today we have a Bosch M3.8.3 ECU file and want to program PopBang. We cannot read this ECU, only write to it using MPPS. We need to modify the MPPS and connect the pins as shown in the picture. And then you have to select the Bosch M5.92 ECU in MPPS. Before writing, you must ensure that the checksum is correct. Otherwise, the vehicle will not start after flashing. We can calculate the checksum in MPPS for this ECU. Select the checksum button. Select your mod file. Select your ORI file. Save the file with the corrected checksum. Okay, we've discussed the flashing process. Let's continue in WinOLS. Open ORI file and import MapPack. Become Gold or Platinum member and get ORI file plus Damos for free. Contact, email, plus join the membership link in the video description. Which maps do we need to edit? KFZWMN, TVSSGM, KFZW0, 1, 2 maps. We are modifying the TVSSGM map as follows. We will change the delay to 2.5 seconds, only at temperatures of 40 degrees and above. Next, we need to edit the KFZW maps. Here we see 3 maps: KFZW0, KFZWMN, and KFZW2. We are working on all 3 maps. We want that pops between 2,500 and 6,000 RPM. So we're modifying the row for low load conditions. If WinOLS, calculate checksum correctly, export file, and flash. If you are unsure, it is better to select Don't Correct here, and calculate the checksum in MPPS instead. as we showed at the beginning of the video.